Molweni bantwana. Molweni bantwana. Molweni bantwana. Molweni bantwana. Okay, before siqale ndicela sithuleni nina nizolandela emva kwam ne. Are you agreeing on this? Nizolandela emva kwam ane. Yewe miss. Nizolandela emva kwam ane. Okay. So, ithi no. And Jesus grew in wisdom. And Jesus grew in stature. And Jesus grew in favor. With God. And with God. Sacela sonke ngosiyenze ngile magama njani? So sacela sonke ngosiyenze. And Jesus grew in wisdom. And Jesus grew in stature. And Jesus grew in favor with God. And with God. Okay. Before siqale ke ngibala usinazana. Amen. Thank you so much. Okay. Ibalulekile namhlanje. Okay. Ivesi yentsha namhlanje ithi my God will supply all your needs. Ithini? My God will supply all your needs. But let's do it all again. My God will supply all your needs. Again. My God will supply all your needs. I'm going to go Philippians 4 verse 19. Right. Philippians 4 verse 19, 29. Philippians 4 verse 19. I'm going to wait till I'm now. Anyways, his story said to get I forgot that chapter, but it's about Udado Tom and first in 2 years, what man about us, but in the what's on me? Today's in Chinese. Can you let me get back on? Today's in Chinese, like what's on me? They want. And he has, it needs this into of what's without. So you're trying to get examples of it needs. You don't know what without. Yeah. Ukutya. Amanzi. Oxygen. Needs. Money. If it needs, you know about you're popular without, what are wants? It only wants. Yeah. Something that you can live without. It's the only wants. Wearing series. Yes, the ones ends, okay, keep up on me. Joining. Okay, you want yes. Phone and machine. Okay. So, 2029, 2029 is the ones. yethu?
God will supply all your needs.
Anyways, so ibali lethu ke is about utata travel Elijah. Yeah? Elijah, wayehlala, thank you so much, sweetie. So, apho ke wayehlala khona Elijah, there was a drought. I-drought yenzeka xa kunganethiyo. There was a drought and it was dry, and there was they couldn't plant the plants for abantu bakwazi ukutya. So one day, God told Elijah, by a brook called Kiriath. After God was given ukutya, well, Elijah was going to live there because so a black bird called a raven would feed him throughout the Elijah came for feeding him and all of those things. But the moral of the story was that God supplies our needs. Listen, better than that, my God will supply all your needs. So, kwindawo enje uyakwazi ukufaka iflowers okanye ukutya okanye vegetables, any plant vegetables kwindawo enje. Why? There's no water, thank you. And then can you show me the blackbird? That's a rainbow. What have I got in that? You guys are lying. Did that guy come from South Africa? But anyway, that is the rainbow. This bird, we are in the water to kunya every morning and evening. He'll feed the Elijah. Yes, the bird flew imparted kunya to Elijah. Next time. Now Elijah sits in these trying times. Okay, so that is about the story.